Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ShareALive. In this video, the first part, I'll be showing you what's available in the store. As you all know, Chanel has been closed for 2 weeks in Australia. So after it reopened, it has been only accepted by appointment. So I would like to take this opportunity to show you what's available in the store. You may would like to pick a gift for Mother's Day, as well as I heard a news of Chanel is going to have a price increase. As only just happened 2 days ago, and so I believe Chanel will have price increase very soon. So let's get started. Let's have a look what's available in the store, and you may see something you like. Thank you for watching this video till the end. And now it's time that I show you what I picked from the store, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing here. We always feel excited when we do unboxing. Let me just fast forward here to show you what is here inside the box. Okay, beautiful packaging. As recently the trend of handbag, I noticed vanity cosmetic case, vanity chain bag, all of these are so popular. So I guess some of you are thinking to add one in your collection. So here you are. I got something related to vanity here, and apparently it's sold out at all store, even overseas. The one that I picked is in lemon skin. I know you guys probably would say, oh, lemon skin is a little bit delicate, but look at the look of it. It's so nice and soft, shiny, and this is the black color in gold hardware combo. It's in lambskin leather. As you may see, there is one version in caviar leather, and interior is in burgundy color. For lambskin, interior is black. Let me show you the details inside. Okay. And all these materials are very easy to take care of. And here is an open pocket, and there is one here as well. So one at the front, at the here, and one at the back side. Pretty much you can fit a lot of things, and some people would like to mix it as a crossbody bag, which is hook up a chain here. But for this, I really think that is very beautiful if you put all your cosmetic things inside. And you can decorate it as beautiful bag. I saw someone putting pearl things here and decorate it as beautiful display